Hey there folks, coming at you with a product review for these headphones right here. So normally I have the big over-the-ear headphones when I'm about to game, but I decided to give these a try. Now these plug right into my Xbox controller and got a little microphone right here. Right now this is significantly different from what I would normally wear. But these are very lightweight. They fit right in the ear. And the microphone, you can adjust it out like this. Or you can put it in, or you can put it up, right? The controls for the volume are right here. And for the voice and the mic, they're also right here. Okay, so I'm going to give this a shot, just real quickly, and see, for me, if you're a gamer, or if you play games, one of the biggest keys is being able to hear, right? So people coming up on you, from your left, from your right. So I want to see, I'm interested to see how these headphones perform, and I'm about to do that right now. I have to tell you, the sound is pretty fantastic, actually. Hey, where are you going? Back over here. There you go. So right now I am firing up Call of Duty, and that seems to be, I mean, the sound is really fantastic. I'm surprised. Now the big difference between these and the ones I normally wear, over your ear, they get hot, especially in Vegas. Let's see if we so normally that's what I'm wearing, right? You can see the big time difference there. They're heavier, they get warm, but the sound quality is fantastic. So the sound on these really is impressive. And they are extremely lightweight, very comfortable. I think these things are going to work out just fine. These are going to work out just fine. Alright, so that's it, folks. I mean, the sound is fantastic. The mic quality, I checked earlier with a friend online. They could hear me fine. They couldn't tell the difference between the ones I normally wear and these, right? Quite a big difference. And, you know, in a pinch, I'm probably going to go back to the other ones just because that's what I'm comfortable with. But in a pinch, these will work. Very impressed.